You're likely now seeing TV ads in the race for state Supreme Court.
Judge Rebecca Dallet making some strong accusations against her opponent, Judge Michael Screnock. Political reporter Jess Garp explains it's tonight's reality check.
In her first TV ad of the campaign, Judge Rebecca Dallet focuses on the sentences handed down by her opponent, Judge Michael Screnock.
She's never prosecuted a criminal case.
This is true. Judge Screnock is an attorney who has worked on civil and administrative cases. He's never prosecuted a criminal case because he's never been a district attorney.
He let a child predator walk without time.
This needs clarification. Judge Dallet is referring to the case of Axel Conrad in 2015, a then 19-year-old accused of having a relationship with a 14-year-old. Conrad pleaded no contest to sexual assault charges as part of a plea deal. Court documents show that a Department of Corrections agent, as well as the defense and prosecuting attorneys, recommended 5 years of probation. Judge Screnock agreed to that sentence.
And let a rapist who preyed on an underage girl go free after only an 8-month sentence.
This is misleading. The second case is of Aldo Elder Ruiz Velasquez, who was initially charged with felony third-degree sexual assault and sexual assault of a child, after picking up 2 teenagers, buying them alcohol, and then raping one of them. Again, the defendant cut a plea deal, the prosecutor and defense attorney agreeing to reduce the charge to misdemeanor 4th-degree sexual assault. Screnock again agreed to the sentence proposed by the attorneys, 8 months in jail with work release and 2 years probation. The maximum sentence allowed under the reduced charge agreed to by the attorneys was 9 months in jail.
For over 20 years, I've been a prosecutor and a judge, delivering justice to victims and their families in some of the toughest cases of rape and child abuse.
This needs clarification. In both of the cases cited here, Dallet issued lengthy sentences for these defendants, including 20 years for Matthew Lillick, who pleaded no contest to raping a 75-year-old woman. While that plea was ultimately upheld on appeal, that appeals court admonished Dallet, saying Lillick had significant disabilities and 2 partial lobotomies, and Dallet should have held a hearing on whether Lillick voluntarily entered that plea. I'm Jessica Arp with this News 3 Reality Check.
As always, if you have an idea for a reality check, send it to realitycheck@channel3000.com. There is